Hi guys! Action cameras are preferred over the regular ones because they have optical image stabilization, and they are rugged, which can survive extreme conditions. But most importantly, they are straightforward and easy to use. Don't forget to check the video description for the links of all these cameras, and while you are at it, don't forget to like the video and comment your favorite action camera. Let's get started. Number 5. GoPro Max, the best 360 action camera. We've tested this 360-degree cameras before but never been very impressed with either their quality or ease of use. The GoPro Max changes all that. Not only is the video quality very good, but the GoPro Max stitches together footage from its twin fisheye lenses and camera, which makes it child's play to edit and process the resulting 360 footage. Simply record your footage, transfer it to your phone or tablet, and you can either upload to YouTube as an interactive 5.6 third of 360 video that viewers can pan around themselves, or process it using GoPro's amazingly simple reframe editing tool. This lets you take any angle from your 360 video. It's like having multiple cameras in one tiny package. Alternatively, you can use the GoPro Max as a regular action camera, using either one of its two back-to-back lenses. The camera has amazing max hyper smooth stabilization. Its horizon leveling comes into play. Also, this camera keeps the footage incredibly smooth and stable. It is made with top-quality audio from 6 onboard microphones. Features: the GoPro Max is an incredibly flexible camera. It has high sensor pixels, 18 megapixels. Moreover, this camera records the video with maximum 5.6K resolution. It is a waterproof and available. Number 4. GoPro Hero 8 Black, the best mid-range GoPro. While this GoPro Hero 8 Black may no longer take pole position within GoPro's lineup, if you can live without the front-facing screen and 5K recording of the flagship Hero 9 Black, then the Hero 8 Black is still an excellent option at a reduced price. It features a fully waterproof body with inbuilt mounting prongs, video recording at up to 4K, video recording at up to 6 diffs, and GoPro's exceptionally smooth Hypersmooth 2.0 image stabilization. For added versatility, the Hero 8 Black is also compatible with GoPro's range of media mods, allowing you to attach an external light, microphone, or display. As with the Hero 9 Black, you can currently save on the purchase of a Hero 8 Black if you purchase it direct bundled with a 1-year GoPro subscription. It combines with a tough waterproof design. It captures killer 4K videos, 12MP photos, and this customizes your setup with mods. It has unlimited cloud backup with auto uploads. Features: it has amazing video stabilization from Hypersmooth 2.0. It shows the super photo with HDR. Available with compatible with Quick app. It is compatible with over 30 mounts with accessories. Number 3. GoPro Hero 9 Black, the best action camera yet. GoPro is synonymous with action cameras, and with more screens, more resolution, and more stabilization, their latest Hero 9 Black is the best action cam to date. While its silhouette may seem familiar, the Hero 9 has received a top-to-toe revamp over its predecessor. With an all-new 23.6 megapixel sensor, increased battery capacity, and a front-facing screen. That new sensor allows the Hero 9 to record video at up to 5K at 30fps, while the secondary display makes selfie-style filming and vlogging a breeze. Its body is natively waterproof and features mounting prongs built into the base, eliminating the need for external cases and cages. While the lens housing is user-replaceable and can be interchanged with GoPro's ultra-wide max lens mod, the Hero 9 is also compatible with GoPro's range of accessory media mods. The Hero 9 Black comes with GoPro's new and improved Hypersmooth 3.0. It is the best action cam stabilization around, and it allows you to record smooth, jerk-free footage. This camera has high sensor pixels, 23.6 megapixels. Features: GoPro has also added the horizon leveling feature first found in their 360 cameras. You can currently pick it up bundled with a 1-year. It records high-quality results with 5K resolution power. Even it is a waterproof device with 1-year warranty. Number 2. DJI Pocket 2, the best stabilized pocket camera. The DJI Pocket 2 is a complete stabilized video platform that's small enough, as the name suggests, to fit in your coat pocket. The camera module sits on top of a dedicated, lightweight 3-axis motorized gimbal, and this setup allows the Pocket 2 to achieve rock-steady shots while on the go, superior to those you get from digital stabilization, and all without the bulk that's usually involved in using a motorized stabilizer. While the Pocket 2 is a standalone camera in its own right, it can also be connected directly to your smartphone. Once paired up, you can use your smartphone can take full control of the device, play back your footage, and even share directly to social media. As for the performance, it shoots up to 4K video at 60 fps and adapts extraordinarily well under low light conditions. Auto exposure works a treat. There's also a wealth of smart shooting modes, allowing you to easily create time-lapses, panoramas, and hyperlapses. It's not waterproof unless you pop it in a case. The Pocket 2 is also compatible with a range of accessories. DJI Pocket 2 is 3-axis handheld gimbal stabilizer with 4K camera. This camera shows up 64MP pixel high-resolution photo. Features: it has Apple Lightning output with USB Type-C output. It is provided with 1-year warranty. You can reduce the noise during recording. It has a wonderful slow motion feature with 8x zoom. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these products. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Insta360 Go 2, the best micro action camera. As small as your thumb and weighing in at a mere 27. The Insta360 Go 2 is a fantastically versatile action camera. Thanks to its unique form factor, the Go 2 can be mounted in places that other action cameras simply can't, opening up a whole new world of creative possibilities. It's compatible with a range of different mounts for attaching to windows, helmets, and bags, while its magnetic base and medallion allow you to wear it directly on your chest. As for recording, resolutions of up to 1440 at 50 fps are available along with HDR video at 24 fps. 120 fps is possible at 1080 for slow motion footage. And Insta360's flow state technology provides excellent electronic stabilization and keeps everything leveling. There are a few compromises. Due to its small size, the controls can be a little fiddly. Storage is limited to 32 GB, and with a maximum resolution of 1440, it's not the highest specs action camera at this price point. However, if you're prepared to work around the niggles, no other action camera can offer this level of image quality in a comparable form factor. It starts charging automatically. Insta360 Go 2's Horizon leveling algorithms will keep the video upright. You can adjust the exposure and intervals. It charges up in just half an hour and shoot for up to 2.5 hours. Features: it uses a powerful 1/2.3 image sensor. It is a rugged and waterproof to form. This camera has image stabilization. However, it comes with a pocket-sized. Hence, that's all our guide review about the top best 5 action cameras will help you. Please check out the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the product. Thanks for watching this video. If we helped you out in any way, then please like, share, comment, and subscribe button of this channel. And also remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. We'll see you guys in the next videos.